Welcome back guys with another video. I'm so happy today guys. I'm going to say thank you 1 million times. Even it's more than 1 million times to say thank you to everyone guys who support me to reach that 1k subscriber, and I appreciate all of you guys who are just supporting me. And I can say thank you special to my sister, the journey of my life, and thank you again my sister Mercy for giving me time to pin my channel to your channel, to your live stream, and to tell people to support me. I appreciate all of you guys who support me until I reach that 1k subscribers. I was waiting to get that chance to come to record this video, but I was busy these days guys for working. But I appreciate for all of you guys who just support me, and I can say that guys, we have to support everyone, and I'm going to say thank you to Macy, thank you very much my sister for giving me chance to pin my channel to your viewers and to tell them to support me. And also them, I tell them thank you guys for listening, because if they didn't listen to you and they didn't come and support me, so I couldn't get that. I have to say them also thank you very much guys for supporting me. And on this street guys, it's very hard, let me tell you true, it's very hard to get 1k subscriber. It's very hard to get the 4k watching hour, but the more you work hard, you try your best, you just run from here to there, is the time you are going to get. I know people, they go 2,000 3,000 4,000, but it's still they go 800 700 watching hour, because of what they was focusing to get the subscribers, but they didn't even try to push again to get the watching hour. Normally when you are going to come on this trip, you have to push both sides, the subscriber plus the watching hour, because the time you get this one done, then you have to know like, okay, I'm in the middle, or I've already reached the target of my 4k watching hour. But for me, I can say like, even me, I didn't reach my 4k watching hour, but I'm nearly there. And I think the end of this year 2024, I might get my monetization full, but I'm still pushing. And I'm going to tell everyone guys, if you are looking, you are WH and you're thinking like, where can I start? I can say that is to go more live stream and to start play using your playlist on that time. And it's not like you are going to do that by yourself, you have to get someone play for you. Then on that time, if you get people to use your playlist to view your video through their playlist, then on that time you will start getting your WH. But make sure before you didn't focus on subscribers, try again even to focus on your WH, because these two things, you can get your subscriber quick, but WH is gonna take time, because this is 4k. It's not like you tell someone please just put for me 1 subscriber, because when someone subscribe, then it's 999 left, then the other person subscribe is 980 left. So that is how subscriber is going to reduce, because it's just only 1k, but watching hour is 4,000, and the 4,000 they count according to people, the way they watch your video, for how long they take. It's not like you are posting long video then you are going to get your watching time. No, it just depends like how long people they stay on your channel and watch your video, because they count the minute those people are on your channel and start watching. So if the minute of people are watching is less, it's that time is going to make your channel not to go that high. But I appreciate all of you guys for supporting me to reach for my 1K subscriber. Especially I'm saying thank you to the Journey of My Life, thank you to Mercy Mercy, thank you to Fred Dangote, all of you guys for supporting me to reach for my 1K subscriber. And I can say, like, guys, if you're a new YouTuber and you watch this video, don't miss to go to support the Journey of My Life and Mercy, because she's nearly to 10K subscriber, and the Journey of My Life, she's nearly to 1K subscriber. Guys, try, anyone who's going to see my video, try to support these two people. So and I'm going to pin the link of my Mercy channel on my comment section. So if you go to my comment section, guys, you are going to see that pin, and I will go and pin again on my video description on that time as well. And you can see the channel of these two people. They support me until I get for my 1K. I say thank you very much, guys. Let us support each other. And for my side now, I'm ready to support anyone the time on a live stream. If you came to my channel, I will pin your channel there. I will tell people to support you to reach your 1K. If you are looking to get 1K, I'll try my best to support you to reach your 1K. We have to support each other, and appreciate for all of you guys who support me to reach that 1K. I say thank you very much, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.